In linked list, arrays, queues, stacks, we only have one way to traverse, but in trees, we have several ways to traverse. They can be pre-order, in-order, post-order, level order, traversal. So we are going to discuss what are the various tree traversal techniques. So there are four kinds of tree traversal techniques. There is in-order. Under in-order, I will traverse the left, the root, and then the right. In pre-order, it's always root, left, and right. And in post-order, it's left, right, and root. So how you should remember this is, consider there is, so it's always the position of the root that is changing. Put left and right as it is. If I put root in before it, then it is pre-order. If I put root in between, then it is in order. If I put root at the end, it is the post order. Left and right are always first left, then right. Root goes in front so that it becomes root left right, then it is pre-order. Root goes in between, then it is left root right in order, and root goes at the end, then it is post order left right root. And level order is level by level. So here the complexity of this traversal is O of n, and it is again recursive in nature, and so it is well suited for divide and conquer. For in order, I first of all process the left node completely in order, process the root node, and then process the right subtree in order again. Similarly, for pre-order, I visit the root node first, process the left subtree in pre-order, process the right subtree in pre-order. Similarly, for post-order, process the left subtree in post-order, process the right subtree in post-order, and then visit the root. So let us take one example here. This is the root element. This is the root element. So let me take pre-order first. It is root, left subtree, and then the right subtree. So here I get 25. Now for the left subtree, 25, this is the root. So it is 15. For the left subtree, again here it is root, left, right. So till 12 it is done. Now it will come to the right subtree of this portion. Root, left, right. So 22, 18, 24 is done. Now the left subtree portion is over. Now right subtree portion, it will be 50. Then it will be 35, 31, 44, and on this side it is going to be 70, 66, and 90. Let's take in order. For in order, it is the left, root, right. So first it should for this node it should process the left subtree. For this node also it should process the left subtree. For this node, for this it is 4, 10, 12. Then the root 15. Then the right subtree. Under the right subtree it will be 18, 22, and 24. Then 25 for in order here, and then the right subtree. For the right subtree, left, root, right. So left 31, 35, 44. Left for 50 node is over. Then it will print 50, and then 66, 70, 90. Let us see post order. For post order, it is left, right, root. So root, you can see 25, it is coming at the end. Now let us take left post order for this. So left post order for this is going to be 4, 12, 10. This is the left. 18, 24, 22, the right, and then the root 15. Similarly here also 31, 44, 35. Then 66, 90, 70, then the root which is 50, then the root which is 25. So sometimes you also get questions like, if this is the in order and the pre-order, tell me what will be the root. So as soon as you see the last number here, you will get to know the root. And then you know that this portion is lying on the left half and this portion is lying on the right half. So like this, recursively, when you apply that logic, we will also see and then 15 is here, so this is lying on the left half of the 15, this is lying on the right half of the 15. So like this, given the three in order, pre-order, post-order, we can construct the tree also. I'll show the demonstration for this. So consider if I have the node data left, right, this is the Inorder and the Preorder traversal and Postorder. Here I am inserting a node, so I am getting the tree like 1, 2 and 3. To the roots left I am inserting 4, and here I have inserted 5. Now I am performing Inorder, Preorder and the Postorder traversal. So for this tree, Inorder will be 4, 2, 5, then 1 and 3. Yes, Preorder will be 1, 2, 4, 5 and then 3. And then the Postorder will be 4, 5, 2, 3 and then 1. So this is how we can in a simple way construct a tree and also do pre-order, post-order on this.